Hey, my name is Rito and I am scaling a Shopify store from scratch, and this is Bizathon number 4. And this is episode number 14. I want to welcome you here. This is the live show that we do every week, and this is going to be a power pack session. It's going to be like boom. Boom. All right. So if you're ready, just make sure you have a piece of pen and paper so that you can take notes. It's going to be jam packed with just awesome content, because we are going to cover POD, which is print on demand. And print on demand is like a huge thing that is just blowing up in 2017. In 2018, it's going to go even further. It's here to stay. All right. So this is a strategy for 2018 and beyond. All right. So here's the concept though. Let me just show you. So I actually brought in some props today. All right. So you see this basket right here. This is my basket. All right. This is my Shopify basket, proverbial basket. So in this basket, I have my drop shipping. So this is an egg. So I have my drop shipping egg. I also have my AliExpress egg. All right. I also have my Facebook ads egg. But you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. You need another basket. All right, so our POD is going to go in another basket. I don't have another basket with me because it would have crowded up the desk. But you get the point. This egg is going inside another basket, and this egg is basically print on demand. All right, so don't put all your eggs in one basket is what I'm telling you. So if you're just focused on drop shipping with AliExpress, you need to have some more things. So that is where the concept of hybrid stores comes into play. And the cool part about POD is that it cannot just be used on hybrid stores. Of course, you can use it. You can have your AliExpress products listed on your store. You can also have POD products listed on your store. You can have 3PL products listed on your store and create like a nice little hybrid store. But you could also have a dedicated store just for POD. Even that is an option. You can literally just open up a new Shopify store. If you decide to go all in with POD, print on demand, then you can open up a new Shopify store and get all your other designs set up like that. So in this video, we'll be going over everything, the entire POD strategy. By the time this video finishes, you will have a complete overview of how you can execute the POD strategy. And let us begin this. So I've got some notes handy, so I'm just going to, all right. First off, this is limitless. All right. You are only limited by your imagination. So print on demand, the concept is basically that you find out designs that are working right now, and then you get them printed on t-shirts, on hoodies, on sweaters, on mugs, on dog tags if you want to. You start off with just t-shirts, but you've got these automations nowadays where you just upload an image, a design onto a Shopify app, and they basically create all these other like products for you. They pick, pack, and ship. They do all of the printing, packing, and shipping. So they handle all of that for you. You don't even come into the picture. Like all you have to do is just drive sales. So it's basically the same concept of drop shipping, right? You're not holding any inventory. You're not like coming up, like you're not holding any product in your hand. You don't have a warehouse or something like that. You're not even doing any printing. You let other companies do this. Now, here is where POD starts to get really powerful. POD company, the companies that I'm going to be recommending to you for like handling all your printing and shipping to customers, they're all based out of the USA, and most of your customers are based out of the USA. And so the products get delivered to customers faster. Your brand gets built up that much faster. People get more repeat purchases if they're happy with the product. So it's just an awesome strategy. The only issue I have with AliExpress dropshipping is that sometimes it just takes a long time for products to be delivered. And that holds you back sometimes. All right. So let's say I wanted to advertise, I wanted to do like a Christmas blowout sale, get your products before Christmas right now. And this is like, I don't know, they're like 14th or something, 14th December. There is no way in hell the product is reaching the customer if I'm shipping from AliExpress. But with POD, it can, because the printing is done in the USA, the shipping is done from the US, so the products reach the customers much, much faster. All right. So with that said, All right, let's go over some other concepts. So it's not just t-shirts, but it's also about merchandise, all sorts of other merchandise that you can sell. You can sell hoodies, sweaters, dog tags. You can sell caps. You can sell all sorts of different things. Again, you don't need to come up with new ideas. They already have all these products listed. The companies that I'm going to tell you who you partner up with, they have all of these set up already. You literally just upload a design on their interface, and boom, your products are ready to be sold. All right. So if that doesn't excite you, I don't know what does. All right. So this is drop shipping, but this is drop shipping on this is just drop shipping on another level right now. And again, this is all automated. All right. You don't have to do anything. The entire fulfillment of the order is done by other companies. All you have to do is just drive the traffic and drive those sales. That is Eats. All right. So, there is another benefit of POD that I just want to cover right now. POD items are going to be unique to you. You are not going to steal designs. The strategy that I'll be recommending to you involves copying other people's work, but in your own unique way. All right. So you'll be finding finding t-shirt designs that are actually selling right now. You'll be creating your slightly unique version of that same design and then selling it. But because you did that change, because that design is yours, you have the copyright to that design. Nobody else can sell that exact same t-shirt. All right. So that places you in an like a whole different bucket, if you might, because with AliExpress, there are so many people who are shipping out the same products, right? So that's why you have that intense competition and price wars among different Shopify sellers. But with POD, you are in control of your pricing. You are in control of the product because you are the only one who sells that product. It is unique to you. I'm telling you right now, this is a limitless opportunity right here. The only limit is your creativity. All right. The more creative you can be with these things, you can keep bam launching designs and launching more and more shirts to sell on your store. And it's just an awesome thing. And we're actually going to be doing that in our Common Panda store as well, because I want to show you guys exactly how it's done. So let me just quickly load up my thing here. Hold on. All right. So here we go. So right now what I'm going to do is I am going to all right, so let's start off with the POD strategy. So this is where I'm going to dive into the entire strategy for print on demands. All right, so the first step is to find designs. All right, this is where you go out to different sources and try to find out designs that are selling. Now, if that makes you go, how can I do that, Rito? How can I do that? I have no idea where I can find designs. I have no research skills at all. So then I'll be like, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strategies for you. How awesome is that? I have 6 strategies for you to find designs that are already selling. All right. So this is what I'll be teaching you inside this video. Next up is to create your version of those designs. All right. So you basically take the design that you found, you give it to a designer. If you know Photoshop, that you can do it yourself, but you can easily find designers on Fiverr.com, on Upwork.com. There are several other places where you can find t-shirt designers. Just do some Google searches and it'll land you some other places. In fact, in the next video, I'll give you some other sources as well. So you basically get your version designed, and this is going to be unique to you. And the third step is to launch that design on your store. Now, you don't need to overlay that design on top of t-shirt, on top of caps, because there are apps that do that automatically for you. The same app that's doing the printing, shipping, and fulfillment of that t-shirt, you literally just upload that design, literally select a file from your computer, that design file, and then upload it to the app, and then they handle everything else. All right. So you've got apps to do these things. And the concept is to launch, again, the same with drop shipping, guys. The concepts remain the same. You want to launch 15 products. So each product is basically one design. So you want to launch 15 designs on your store. The next step is to launch your ads. The same concepts, the ad concepts remain the same. The ad strategies remain the same. The ad creative is in fact the most like brain dumb thing that can ever be, because it's literally going to be like the t-shirt image. All right, that is your ad creative. All you have to do is just write 3 lines of ad copy and you're good to go. All right, so next up is to launch your ads, and then based off of those 15 product ads that you select, you basically need to find one winning product. All right, and if you follow the process like I'm teaching you right now, you should be able to find that winning product within the first 15 designs that you launches. All right, the 5th step is to, of course, to scale your winning ads. So you scale to different audiences, follow my Facebook scaling strategy. Then the 6th step is to rinse and repeats. All right, so you basically repeat the 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. You keep repeating this thing. All right, so you find more and more winning products, you get more and more sales, and then you're like a happy guy. You're like sitting on a couch drinking some beer or something, and you go like, wow, this is like a nice life to have, right? So let's not get distracted with things that don't matter. The things that matter are hustle, and that is exactly what you need to start doing. So let's dive into this. So remember the concepts that I've taught you already in the drop shipping is all the same. All right, the concept of launching ads, the concept of launching products, the concept of like scaling your ads. So all of those concepts remain the same. Think of it like this: rather than selecting products from AliExpress, you're just finding different designs and then launching them on your store. All right, don't think of them as like t-shirts that you're launching. Think of them as like designs that you're launching on your store. All right, so this is your POD strategy. So what are the 6 strategies that I am going to be talking about for finding the designs, which is step number 1, which is what you guys are going to learn inside this video as well. All right, so first off, you have to understand a very important concept here. T-shirts sell for passion niches. All right, so like only those niches in which people have passion for something, they will be buying t-shirts, because you have to think of it like this. All right, if you were passionate in a niche, would you buy that t-shirt? All right, think of it like whenever you come up with a design, just think to yourself, if you were passionate in that niche, would you buy that t-shirt? All right, if the answer is yes, then launch that t-shirt design. All right, so that is a very important point you need to remember. All right, so let's discuss some strategies. So I'm going to write this down in red, so you have this written down somewhere. The first strategy is, of course, AliExpress. I'm just going to write it down right now. Then I'll be diving into each of these. Then you've got T-Spy. Then you've got Vanilla. Then you've got FB Search. All right. Then you've got Competitor Store. All right, so you've got Competitor Store. Then finally you've got a niche mix. All right, niche Rix? No, it's niche mix. All right, so you've got these 6 strategies for finding winning products, for finding winning designs. So let's dive into this. First off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly just save this for you guys. This is going to be 414. Hold on, 414. All right, now let's dive into the thingies. First off, if you're not subscribed to the Flying Start Online channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. This is where we are launching all our videos. We cover pretty much everything that is to know about dropshipping, about building businesses, and about all these awesome online marketing strategies. All right, so we've got that covered. Next up, if you want some good summaries and notes about each and every video that we do, just head over to flyingstartonline.com, and that's where you can get all of that awesome information. All of our Bizathon episodes are all published right here in detailed notes. David does a fab job with the noting down of things. All right, so now, what am I doing right now? For some of you people, you want to see the stats. So here are the stats. It was like 90,300. It's fine. We're crossing 20K in a day or two. So that's fine. All right. So next up, let's start off with each of these strategies. The first strategy is, of course, AliExpress. All right. AliExpress is where you can find t-shirt designs. All right. So t-shirt. Let me just search for t-shirt. First, I'm just going to shut this one off. All right, so let's search for t-shirt. All right, so you see t-shirt. Oh, boom! I'm thinking. So this is where you can start finding. So we already have a panda t-shirt that comes up here. Let me just have a look at that. Once you find a design that's here, never give up on your dreams, keep sleeping. All right, so this is one t-shirt design that we can use, of course. Then we have got this one. So again, the concept is to not steal, it's to copy. All right, and copy and make it a slightly unique. So you can change up the font a bit. You can change the icon up a bit. So rather than this like loading icon, you could use some other loading icon. You could change up the font a bit. You can use the same text, of course. In some cases, you would want to change the text as well. So let's say in this one, right? So in this one, this says like never give up on your dreams, keep sleeping. We could either put ... keep sleeping ... or we could do don't give up on your dreams instead of never give up on your dreams, right? So you could do something like that. So just change slight things up a bit. It doesn't really make that big of a difference. But here is where you can start to find some interesting things that are working right now. So you're looking at basically some things that are unique here. So again, some things that pop out. Sorry, Jungkook is mine. I'm not really sure why, but okay. So this is probably in some other niche that I'm not aware about. Pug life. All right. So instead of thug life, we've got pug life. So you could use a different pug image right here, and you could use like a different font for writing pug life, and that's it. So this is how you find like designs on AliExpress. And of course, you can put in your like niche. So if you're into the dog niche, you type in dog t-shirt. All right. So you search for that, and then you get all of these designs. I love my dog. All right. And you can sort by orders also, so that you can find which ones are the ones that are selling. So this one is selling quite a bit. If I can't bring my dog, I'm not going. So that's an awesome thing. That's a really easy one to copy right here. This one is also really easy to copy. So whatever t-shirts have just text written on them, they are really easy, because all you have to do is just change the font up a bit, change the sizes of the font up a bit, and then you have your own unique design. I just want to hang with my dog. Again, this one is also something that is sold quite a bit, and this is something that you can copy. All right, so the next strategy for finding t-shirts is something called T-Spy. It's a paid app. They also have a free membership, but here you can literally just enter your niche, and then let me search for dog. And what it does is it basically has a curation of like, I don't know, 817,000 t-shirt designs here, right? So you can sort by sales right here. Now, of course, you need a paid membership. I think it's 27 or 37 bucks a month to allow you to sort by sales. So here I can start seeing some t-shirt designs that are doing really well, like Never Walk Alone. This is something I actually launched on my store as well. You also have this one. I promise, honey, this is my last dog. So you've got all these designs. So you can sort by sales and actually see, like, this one is sold 13K. This one is sold 22.9K. This one is sold 2.3K. So pretty good. And you can also see when they found that t-shirt. All right. So T-Spy is another resource for you to find some awesome t-shirts. Just search for the niche here, sort by sales, and boom, you have your designs to go for. All right. So the next thing is Vanello. Vanello is awesome. You go to Vanello, you sign in, and then look for, let's just search for t-shirt. All right. You can even put in your niche name and t-shirt, or you can just search for normal t-shirt. So then you can start to find something that is like different, and just keep a watch on the number of saves. All right. So it's 10,951 saves. So this is something that we can definitely use. You've got normal people scare me. All right. Now you've got fight like a girl. All right. But this has not got enough saves. So we're looking for like products with a lot of sales. All right, so this one, just do it later, 4,686 saves. This is something we got to, Jesus, my homie. More issues than Vogue. We could use something like this also, but this is trademark Vogue. We don't want to use anything with trademark. All right, so let's look at normal people scare me. So when you find out something like this, right, what you do is you click on the like seller link right here. So you can start to find out all their other products as well. So what we want to do is we want to click on trending to find out which t-shirts of theirs are trending. So let's try and find out which t-shirts. Hate you too. So this is something that's selling right now. So this is something that you can easily duplicate and create a unique design right here. So this is how you find some more design. Let me show you some other seller here so that you can start to get some more ideas. So let's say this one, I Slay. All right, let's click on the seller name, Wild Heart USA. Let's sort by trending. And then we have anatomical heart shirt. So this is something that's interesting. Anatomical heart shirt. Anatomical heart shirt. So this is like a heart design on top of a shirt. This is interesting. This is something for those who wear hearts on their sleeve. Nice. So this is something that can easily be duplicated. You just use a heart icon and then place it. That's your entire design basically. All right. So this one has a lot of saves. This is like a quote. We out, Harriet Tubman, 1849. This is something that we can easily duplicate. All right. So again, you see, I've given you like so many strategies of finding these t-shirts. You can even search for, let's say, dog t-shirt, and then you'll find out all like niche related t-shirts inside the dog niche. All right. Who rescued who? All right. So anyways, you get the idea basically. So the next strategy I want to talk about is 50% off free shipping. Let me just make sure we're not losing any frames. All right. So next strategy is to use 50% off free shipping. The same strategy I've talked about, 50% off in quotes, free shipping in quotes, and then space shirt. All right. This is what you search inside Facebook. Then go inside 2017 date posted. Then you'll be able to find out like which ones are the ones that are sellings. All right. So you can do photos right here. If you click on photos right here, click on 2017, or let's select like let's do November 2017 to find out which ones is selling right now. See all public photos, and then we'll be able to see all the ones that are selling right now. You don't want to do any brand name, so you don't want to do like Star Wars coffee or something like that, but you can do something that is non-branded. So something like this might work. All right, bearded legend. All right, something like this might work. So this got 133 likes, so not that many. I would ideally want something more. Let me just search for, let me just do 2017 to see what comes up. All right. So let's scroll down a bit. Can't someone else just do it? All right, so you see 2.7k likes. So this is something that is sold quite well. So we have this design as well that we can use. Next, let's try just beat him, but not that many. Training to beat Goku or at least Krillin. So this is for those people who are into Dragon Ball Z. Again, this has got a lot of likes. So this is something that can be used. Let's keep scrolling. Let us keep scrolling. So Pitbull lovers, there's a t-shirt for Pitbull lovers right here. If I can't bring my dog, I'm not going. We see that design also come up right here yet again. So again, you get the idea about this as well. So about searching for these designs, shirts, we can even search for like T instead of t-shirts. So we've got only one. Let's do t-shirt. No, nothing with this. So we can even do something like 60% off and then shirt. All right. Or we can remove the free shipping part from this and just keep 50% off and then shirt. All right. So now we find even more options to choose from. Let's do 2017. All right. Now we're talking. All right. So you see 1.2k likes. This is again a good idea. So you get the point about like finding t-shirt designs is really, really easy. So I've given you so many strategies. The next strategy I want to give you is about the niche mix. All right. Now with niche mix, the concept is really simple. What you're looking for is like something that is generic that can be used in other niches. All right. So something like I just want to hang with my dog. All right. So this is perfect for dog lovers, right? So what if you want to target cat lovers? So you literally just change it to I want to hang with my cat. All right. So what you're looking for is you're looking for designs that can easily be duplicated in other niches. So if I can't bring my dog, I'm not going. So it can be if I can't bring my hamster, I'm not going. All right. So in the hamster niche. So something like that could be used. So like basically you find out designs that you can duplicate in other niches as well. And that is how the entire niche mixing concept works. All right. So the next step is to, of course, like find out a competitor store and then go to their product right here. So let's say we do healthy traditions. Let's see whether this is a no, this is not a Shopify store. Let me try to find out a Shopify store for you guys. Jubu jubu jubu. Jubu jubu. Let's do Queen and King. No, I don't want this. La 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 la. So this is definitely a Shopify store. Shopify store. All right, and this is selling quite well. This is selling quite well. So what you do is literally then you follow that same strategy about finding like best-selling products from that very store. So let me just search for what was it? It was collections. Hold on. Let me just search for that. What was that phrase for finding out collections? I think it was best selling. Hold on. It was best selling. I'm trying to find out the best selling one. You remember that? That string that we used to collection / all sort by best selling. It was something like that. That is what we're looking for. Hold on. Let me just try to do this for you. Let me just try to come up from the top of my collections all sort _ by equals best - selling. All right. I think this was the string. Hopefully. All right, so awesome. So we found out their best-selling products. So you've got the Queen and the King, of course. You also have hubby and wifey. You also have these hoodies for Queen and King. You have also have big man. So again, you get to find out like winning products that are sold on this very store, and then you can basically like create your own versions of that design and then start selling it. So this is the competitor store strategy. So I've given you 6 strategy now, folks. Given you 6 strategies for finding winning products, and that is what you do. Once you find that a design that works, then you basically find out people on Fiverr, on Upwork, and all these other places and get t-shirts designed. I'm actually going to give you a couple more sources of getting t-shirts designed in the next video, and that is where we'll be diving into this. Now, I want to talk about, wasn't this exciting? If this doesn't give you goosebumps, I don't know what will, because this is a really, really exciting time to dive into the t-shirt design business, into the POD business, because it's unique. It's something that you own the copyright for. It's something that you have designed on your own and that you're selling on your store, and then you can scale as much as you want. You can be creative as much as you want with this entire strategy. And again, because this is drop shipping, because this is on the Shopify store, because this is using the same Facebook ads concept and shout marketing concepts, this is basically the same, not most of the elements that I've taught you before stay the same. The only thing that changes is how you instead of sourcing products from AliExpress, you're basically coming up with your designs. So that is the POD strategy, folks. If you found value in this, make sure you hit the like button. But before you go, I want to tell you about something important. I have an important announcement to make right here. So I have been talking to a lot of clients over the last 1 month or so. Some people who bought my zero bonus and a lot of other people as well who booked through my consultation calls. So I have been going through a lot of stores and I realized some common trends. And the common trend was a lot of people get stuck on phase number 1, step number 1 of my 6-step system for launching and scaling a Shopify store. Step number 1 is to build. So you basically build out your entire store, get a logo design, the store setup, conversion theme, and all of these things. A lot of people get stuck in that step and are not able to move past it. It can be because of a wall of fear. It can be because of anxiety. It can be because of a lot of reasons. If that's you, I want to tell you right now, there's a link in the description of this video right now. I want to invite you to a training webinar where we go over the 6-step system. And inside the 6-step system, I'll explain you the entire strategy. Again, it's going to be around dropshipping and Shopify. It basically sums up what we did inside our Bizathon 330-day challenge as well. So I show you some ads, I show you the results, I show you what pages we launched. So everything is revealed inside that webinar. You guys already know I'm very transparent with you. So I want to invite you to that webinar and keep holding on to your seat during that webinar, because towards the end, I have a little surprise for you guys, all right, on that webinar. So make sure you sign up. The link is right below. It's completely free. You just have to click the link below, go on to the next page, and then save your free seat and show up for the webinar. All right, I am really excited to see you there. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to the Flying Start Online channel. The subscription button is right below. Things are picking up, folks. We are about to cross 20 grand on Common Panda, and we are going to kick things up a notch. So if you're excited, let's prep up for 2018 and beyond, and let's get started with print on demand as well. And I look forward to seeing you on the webinar. The link is right below. See you then.